Alright, so I've just received this Carpuride GPS. It's a 702 Pro. So we'll just go for a bit of an unboxing now. This is packaging as it's received just from the post office just then when I picked it up. Looks fairly well packed, doesn't seem there's any damage on it. It arrived here within a week, so it was pretty quick. I've got a deal. Stick around to the end of the video. I will share a code with you that you can put on the Carpuride website, and that code will give you around about 35 to 40% off, I think. So yeah, very well packaged. Take it out of the box, and yeah, the packaging seems really quite nice. So quite impressed with that. So this is a 7-inch model. It should just fit in my screen. We'll go for a bit of a fitting thing for it shortly. Just doing a bit of an unboxing there so you can see exactly what comes in the box. So yeah, very well packaged actually. Very impressed with that. Not a mark on it, it's got a screen protector on it as well. It comes with all the cables and connectors. It's got the handlebar control as well, which is good. So it's answering the calls and stuff. Currently using the quad lock system with my phone, which is perfectly okay with the Google Maps, but it's just a bit small. Some tools to fit it with. We've got the optional mounting block, which is good. I'll need that. Some more screws, bits and pieces. Tyre pressure monitoring system, so my tyre pressure sensors. And we've got some additional wiring by the looks of it. And we've got another ball mount, and that's aluminium, guys. That's not plastic. That's all aluminium, heavy duty. And the fuse, and some destructions. So I'll tell you what, first impressions from unboxing, very good. Alright, so here it is, guys. The Carpuride 702 fitted to my motorcycle, and I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10 for fitting. I really am. This was so easy to connect up to my bike. It was a simple, straightforward process. It took me about 30 minutes. Cannot complain about it at all. The fit for the screen is perfect size for my windscreen. It doesn't obstruct my speedo. My God, how good is this? And as you can see, as soon as you turn it on, it fires direct and hooks up straight to my Android Auto. And that's how easy the maps are. That's currently loaded on Waze Maps. Again, with my gloves on, everything easy to see. You go to multiple displays. You go back to the main menu. We can flick over to Google Maps. We go back to the main screen, so in order to do that, I've got my home button down here. I just push the home button. That goes back to the main screen. We've got audio output. Now I haven't got it with me at the moment, but my Spider intercom's set up there, so that goes directly through to the helmet. And again, that's via Bluetooth and also by the Wi-Fi, so that's really good. You've also got a graphic equalizer up here, so you can play around with the music settings in your helmet and get it to your own personal preferences, which is something I really like. Okay, so you're riding along, someone makes a phone call, you can answer the phone call by hitting the phone button there. That saves you having to push buttons on the screen, etc, etc, etc. I really like that. We go to mountings, just there. It brings up the compass. There's a little quirky lean angle thing there, which if you're looking at that while leaning the bike, you're probably going to fall off. Anyway, it's a quirky thing to have. I've got my voltage meter. I've got my rear tyre pressure and tyre temperature, air temperature in the tyre. And I've got my front tyre pressure and my front tyre temperature. I think that's really good. It's like real-time tyre pressure monitoring. And that comes from the valves that you get in the kit with the Pro, which, if you can see it, it's just there. They seem to work really well. They take a little bit of time to connect sometime, but other than that, it's pretty cool. So we go back to the home screen, we'll go back onto Android Auto, and this thing is 100% IP67, completely waterproof, and you can still use it while it's wet. So how good's that, guys? So yeah, totally wet screen, you can still use it while it's wet. IP67 water rated. Really happy with that. Also, the other good feature on this is the security thing. So the mounting bracket itself is connected directly to the frame, and in the frame there's a little key slot there, and in the backpack there I've got a key, and I can literally just push the key and take it out and this will come off. I'll go and grab the key and I'll show you that in a second. So you turn the key at that angle and you literally just pop it in, and then this unit detaches completely from, and you can take it with you if you're leaving it a long period of time. And all this is secured off to the thing, you literally just pop your key back out, like that. Alright, so this is a daytime test for the Carpuride. Give you an idea how this thing goes in bright sunlight. So we just let this thing boot up, do its thing. Connects up to my phone pretty quickly as it is. Alright, so I will just zoom in a little bit. Get the flies out of my ears. There we go. So as you can see, guys, he's still bright, still easy to read, even in direct sunlight. So I'm very happy with that. That's actually currently sitting on the Google Maps. Put it onto Waze. There we go. Even on the Waze map, still very easy to read. Even though I've zoomed it right in, zoomed it right out. Nice and easy to read. Very, very happy with that. That's it. That's in broad daylight. Obviously the nighttime screens will be dark, so don't need to show you those. They're not distracting. I've already seen it in the dark. So my main concern was the glare. There is no glare. The screen is perfect. I am very, very happy. Get yourself onto the Carpuride website, guys. Order yourself one of these, and don't forget that special discount code, 35% off. $244 US. You'll never have to buy another map in your entire life. Cheers, guys. Thanks for your support. Catch you on the next one.